Hello guys and welcome to the Charlotte Show. Today I'm going to be painting a picture of my brother with slime. Here are the things you'll need. Borax, white glue, shaving cream, food coloring, 2 big mixing bowls, water, big mixing spoon, jars, tablespoon, teaspoon, half cup, and cup. I'm gonna be making 3 times as much of the slime in this video because I'm gonna have 3 batches. So first I am going to need 3 cups of water. So I'm gonna measure out 3 cups. There, that's 2 cups. Then that's 3 cups. And now we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of borax. So now I am gonna measure out roughly 1 tablespoon of borax. So now it's time to mix. So now I'm gonna mix the borax until it's fully dissolved in the water, which will take some time. So we're gonna cut it out because it's gonna take a good amount of time until the borax is fully dissolved. Now that's enough. Now we are going to add 1.5 cups of school glue. So now let's measure this. Okay, now we are gonna mix this. Now we are gonna take this out onto the tray and then separate it into our bowls because we're trying to make multiple colors. Like that. Now I'm gonna spray this into the jar. You want about an inch of shaving cream in each stuff. Sometimes you need to shake it if it's a new bottle. You don't want to get really expensive shaving cream to do this. Try to get much cheaper shaving cream. Now I'm going to take a spoon and mix the shaving cream into the slime. Like so. This part you might want to start doing it with your hands, which I am going to do. And really knead it together so it gets more fluffy. Say that's pretty mixed in. So I'm gonna put it out of those for now. So first I'm gonna try make a tan with pink and yellow. It's an experiment. I'm just trying things. So drop of pink and drop of yellow. Wow, that's hard to squeeze. Every color is gonna be light and pastelish since that's already white. If you use clear glue, which doesn't actually work as well in slime, it usually like chunks up and stuff, then it won't turn pastel-y, but I like the look of pastel colors. So here's our first color, a peachy color. Trying to do it for the skin color. I'm just gonna like set it over there. One thing I learned from this experiment is you might want to save the cups until the end to put it in, because I didn't really need to use them. I just split it up, and then I noticed it would be better if I just made one big batch. So don't mix the stuff in separate cups if you're making separate colors. That's a life lesson from Charlotte. These are the colors I'm gonna be using. White, purple, black, blue, pink, and peach. Right now I'm gonna be doing this picture. I'm gonna try to copy off of it. Let's see how it goes. So first I'm gonna try to like make the half oval of his face. You can see on it using peach, because that's what I made peach for. It is not gonna be the exact same colors. His face is definitely more white than peach, but that's for a different reason. So I'm gonna try to like go like that. It's a moon, peach moon of his face. Now I'm gonna take the black I made for his hair and like go like that. There. I'm gonna make a neck for him and like go like that, and I want to make it look like it's more of a half face. There. And now I'm actually gonna take some of the pink and like, it's gonna be a totally different coat than he actually has. I'm just adding some pink there for like the collar or whatever you call it. And then I'm gonna take the blue and just like put it on there. Spread it out. Massage it. Because everyone needs that. Oh yeah. Massage the eye. Okay. That's the totally realistic coat of his. No, I'm just not gonna use that anymore. Now that I got that, I'm gonna make him have headphones. He's always wearing headphones, so. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. How do you think the finished product is? Very beautiful. Looks just like him. Nothing different at all. Bye. I hope you liked the show. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any other videos. I hope you come back to the Charlotte Show. Bye.